How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits with our guide now. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have your various information that you have to know it. But before that, let's know what is Outlier. Outlier.ea is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses' data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive businesses' growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization. So first of all, we have here how you can log in. So we click over login, and you have here your email address, your password, and then here you are. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up and write your personal information and your email address, your code, then your and here we have jobs. So if we come back here and you click overview opportunities, we will find what you can work in Outlier and you get started with it. So as you can see, we have a current openings at Outlier. We have your search. You can just search for whatever you want, or jobs, especially I mean. So we have a 105 jobs. We have coders here, generalist, languages. Also, we have languages here, specialist also, and we have quality assurance here. Then if you come back to the home page here, so we have your various information about it. But before that, I will give you how you can make money using Outlier. So to make money on using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful EA-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operation by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimum stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockouts. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision-making, ensuring that business strategies are informed by accurate, real data real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So here we have the various information how it works with Outlier. We have the first thing here, shape the next generation of EA with your expertise. We have 40,000 experts, 100 million paid out. We have 3.4 million assignments. And if you scroll down, we have your share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. Then we have the first thing, it's share your knowledge, connect with fellow experts, get paid on your terms. And the first one, everyone's an expert at something, share your expertise and help make EA more a human. Then we have the second one, it's connect with fellow experts. Then join our community to work alongside like-minded experts on your domain. Then we have get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. Then if we scroll down, we have join a community of innovators. Our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to project writing. We have the first thing, generalist math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science, and more than 30 other expert domains. We have here also building which EA is a craft. EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. We have the first thing, it's rating and ranking. Rating or ranking assignment ask contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their selection in relation to a specific criteria or factors. Then we have open rewrite. With an open right, assignments experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an AI model to expand upon. These prompts can vary greatly depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentences, questions, or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the AI model. Then we have here multimodal. Multimodal segments help train models generate and classify information from multi- multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on a visual content. And you have here some comments. Also, we have here some fakes like Outlier here. So what is Outlier? Then we have getting started. What does the onboarding process look like? Will I get paid in the onboarding process? How long does the onboarding take? What is the purpose of Outlier's onboarding? Qualification, what qualifications do I need? What is your selection process? How are resumes evaluated? And can I bring some friends too? About payment, we have how much will be paid, how will I be paid, then are these opportunities to earn more. About hours, we have how much time should expect to work, and can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity, how long will this opportunity last also. And that's it for about fix. So making money on Outlier though it involves participating in projects that help train and refine AI models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedules. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks, your qualifications, and your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for completing onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So that's how it works with Outlier.a. So you can just get started and you start making money with it. So it's very simple. You will just go to Outlier.a and log in to find your account or sign up if it's your first time. Then you choose your jobs and then you get started with it and you earn money. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.